A walk in the park, a good clear out, a bite to eat, a quick cigarette. Little outs, fly tippers or dirty dog owners won't be tolerated in Rhondda Cynon Taf, and we will find out who done it. These careless individuals cost the council over £1 million and thousands of man hours. This money and time could be spent carrying out vital frontline services. Anyone suspected of committing these offences could be dealt a £75 fixed penalty notice, or worse, if the matter is taken to a magistrate's court, including a criminal record. The council is cracking down on suspected offenders and is asking for the public's help to identify those who are blighting our county borough. Check out the suspects gallery by visiting www.rctcbc.gov.uk/whodunit.